Let me explain one thing, that suppose it is asking find the even numbers, all the even numbers in between 12 and 20. Then what to do? Okay. Spandon, look at this. Suppose it is asking in between, if it is given. Listen to me very carefully, huh? That means between it is asked. Nah, so we are not going to take this 12 and 20. Find the even number. Then from 12 we will start. From 13. Now 13 is even number. No. So next will be 14. Then 16. Then 18. Then 20. 20 we are not going to take. If it is given between, that means these two numbers will not be included. These are excluded. Clear? Understood too, Rahat? Okay, and suppose it is given from 12 to 20. From and to it is given. That means these two numbers will be included. This will be included. Understood? Alia? Orkopriya? Okay. Look, again I am explaining. Again I am saying from and to given. So that means all the even number will write start from 12. 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20 also. 20 and 12 will be included. Is it clear? Farhan Akhtar, Atrahi and Swachata Orkopriya, understood too? Good. Ankush, Jennifer. Acha, now look at the screen, all of you. Already question number 1, the same question I have completed in class. From 11 to 30 it is given. I completed 11 to 35. So this one is your homework, okay? This one is your homework. And number 2. Now do it. Acha, put today's date. Write CW. Put the date here. Almasuddin, are you doing or not? Huh? Only relaxation, not doing anything. Acha, look. So, first one, write all the odd numbers from 15 to 25. Acha, it is given from, so 15 and 25, both the numbers will be included. Understood? So, write 15, 17, 19, 21, 23 and 25. Do it. Complete this one first. In the book, huh? Afroz Ali, what happened? Slept. सो गया बेटा? हाँ? Wait, I am coming, Afroz. Write it fast. Show me your copy. Both. Show me your copy and book. Afroz, fast. हाँ, Jinia, yes. Done. Okay, do it. Acha, now the next question. Find even or odd number. Acha, I am waiting for some time. At first complete up to this. Those who have completed, they can start the next one. Farhan Akhtar, done? Good. Okay, now the next one. Look at this question. Color the box with the even number blue color and odd number red color. What to do? Even number we have to color blue and odd number red. Okay. Now look at this. First, let me color even number. Blue 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10. Acha, just wait for a minute. 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Then 20, 22, 24, 26, 28. Done. Blue color. But what will you do? You have color pencil now. If you want to do that, okay, that will be very good. Otherwise, you can just circle them in this way. And suppose in case of odd number, you can just tick them. Okay. Now the odd numbers I am coloring by red. Look. One, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Then 11, 13, 25, 70, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29. You can zoom in or out accordingly. Okay, you can zoom in the screen or zoom out the screen. Done up to this, all of you? All of you, Shwachatwa? Okay. Jennifer Khan, where are you? I cannot see you. Ankush, Almashuddin, Afroz, and Shakibuddin. Done. Shadik Faran, Otrin Akhtas, Srijita Das. Done. Good. Yes. Good. Okay, beta. Then Jinia Akhtar, Orindam, Ayman Karan, Rabiul Islam. Good. Rabiul, you have done. You have colored it. Very good. Shamraj, Aisha, Atrei. Yes. Yes, good. You have circled and tick. Okay, good. Jubair, yes. Acha, Alia Yasmin completed? No, okay, good. Do it. Do it fast. If not completed, then also good. Do it fast. I'm waiting. I'm waiting, Alia, now. Acha, Shaugato, Shamraj, Aryan Ahmad. Good. Okay. Acha, okay. Now let me move for the Spondon. Colored it. By color pencil or by Orkopriya, Fatia Sultana and Orkopriya. Okay, now let me solve the next one. Okay, do. Look at this. even numbers have a dash, 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 and dash in the ones place. Fill in the blanks. There are 5 blanks. In case of even number, Orkopia, where are you? In case of, oh, acha, okay, you are there. In case of even number, which digit is in the ones place? 2. Acha, first write 0, huh? Start from 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. Write it. And in case of odd number, 1, 3, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Complete it first. This one and this one. Ayman done? Acha. Good. Acha, Alia? Alia, write first, huh? Alia, now completed? Okay. Acha, now the next one. Look, encircle the odd numbers in each group. This one. In each group means look at this. Group A, this is group B, this is group C, this one group D. Well, how to do? In each group, in A group, look at this. 56, 30, 45, 98, and 62. Achha, in case of 56, the last digit is 6, na? Unit place digit is 6. So, it is an even number, not odd. Look, so it is even number. Now, in case of 30, their last place is 0. It is also even. But in case of 45, look, the last place is, or unit place is 5, na? So, it is odd number. Now, we have to circle the odd number. So, circle it. Wait. Done. Make a circle first. Spandan completed. Next, number B. 87 is the odd number here. As unit place is 7. Next, number C. 99 is the odd here. As the ones place is 9. Okay. Now, number D. 83 is the odd number. Complete this first. Shadik Farhan done. Next, even number we have to circle and circle, okay? In each group. Number A, 28 is the even number. Y, look, 31, 27, 49, 1 and 28. 28. Then number B, 90 is the even number. Number C, 62 is the even number. And number D, 4 is the even number. Do it. Okay, Arindam, you have done. Good. Saugata. Okay, do it first. Look, number 8, 31, 27, 49, 1 and 28. In case of 28, the last digit, one's digit is 8 too. So it will be even number. Now it is number A, 28. Number B, look, 90, 43, 85. This row, okay. 90, 43, 85, 69 and 3. So 90 definitely will be because the unit digit is 0. Now number C, this row, this one. Look, 49 no, 57 is also no, 62 as unit digit is 2. Now number D, this row. Here 91, 77, 35, 73, but 4 is even. Do it first. Complete this one. Up to this, huh? I am waiting for 2 minutes. Complete up to this. Then the next page will start maths magic. Acha, Ifra, Sanjita, Aryan Ahmad, Samraj, keep your camera on. Samraj, Aryan and Ifra, otherwise he will be marked as absentee. Yes. Keep your camera on. Okay, now the next page. This page, huh? Start this one. Okay, look at this one. We have to just count the items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Count and write the numbers. How many? 11 na? So write 11 over there. And after that, mention whether it is odd or even. Is it clear? Suppose for this parrot, just count how many times it is given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 times. So what to do? We have to write 12 over there. How many? Number of parrots. And then we have to check whether it is odd or even number. Understood? Is it clear to all of you? Okay. Now do this one first. It is even or odd? It is odd. Do it first. 1 done. Number 2. Count how many times it is. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It is 14 times. So even. Just write even. Write over there even. Now third one. Count it. Look, it is 13 times given, 13. It is odd. Now the fourth one. Count 16. It is even. Done? Shwechatwa doing? Okay. Now the fifth one. Count 12 parrots are there. So it will be 12. It is even. Now the flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it is an even number, na? Right? Even. As the unit place digit is 0. Okay? Next one, 17. Unit place digit is 7. Odd. Complete up to this. Then I'll start the next page. Huh? Today I'll complete this exercise. Spandan, Shwechatwa, done. Jennifer, Ankush, Almasuddin, and Afroz Ali, done. Jennifer, sorry, Ankush, do it yourself. Huh? Look, I have already written over there. Srijita understood? Oh, good. Aisha understood? Yes or no? Aisha, don't try to be over smart. Don't cover the camera by the copy. Jubair? Okay. Good. All of you done though? If you have completed, send me 100 sticker. Ifra not done, complete it. Atrei, Ifra, then do it fast. I am waiting. Ifra doing though? Okay. Good. I am waiting for 2 minutes. Ifra, complete it first, huh? Look, here is puzzle time given. Puzzle time right now, no need to do. I'll complete this one tomorrow, huh? Complete up to this. Okay, up to this complete. Look, the tick even and odd accordingly. Okay, look at this. Tick even or odd. Look, 18 is even, So pick here even. 16 is also even. 5 is odd in place of odd. 10 even. 19 odd. 8 even. 6 even. 7 odd. Okay. Complete this one. Okay, Orkopriya, done. Ha, good. I am checking. Wait for 1 minute for the others also. Let me complete it. Huh? Okay, let me finish it for the others. 15 odd, 3 odd. Now 13. These are the numbers. You are understanding though? These are the numbers. Now 13. It is odd. 20 even. 2 even. 11 odd. 14 even. 12 even. 17 odd. 1 odd. 4 even. Next first. Acha, now those who have completed, show me your copy. Orkopriya, Fatia Sultana, Rahat, both the pages. Yes, just like open the book and both the pages. Show me the both the pages together. Just like Orkopriya, Fatia. So exactly. No. Don't fold it. Just open it. Okay, good. Acha, Aryan, Juvel, Jennifer.